back to my channel. I'm Dotty and I haven't posted a video for how many years? Maybe 4 years now. You may have noticed that I have been uploading some shorts, which are just my TikToks, because you can come and see me. I post every single day on TikTok at dottydoes. I have some exciting stuff for my channel. I might actually rename my channel to dottydoes, but let me know if you think that's a good idea or not. I've already done some skin prep, so I'm going to use this Cordali. Oh my god, I'm terrible. Bitches! What the hell? No, that was terrible. I don't know how to say this, but this is trendy stuff, guys, and for a reason. It is so nice. It gives a very fresh feeling to the face and makes your face really, really soft. I hate when I sit here because I can't get into my drawer. Alright, well, fuck it. Looks like everything's coming out. Oh my god, should I film a makeup collection video? Maybe. I'm using the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. This stuff is very nice. No notes. No notes. You may notice I do try and buy stuff in the smaller sizes, and same with the spray as well. And that's because after years of overconsumption of makeup and just spending so much money on makeup and never ever using it, I try to buy in the smaller sizes because then I know I will actually finish it, and if I love it I can buy a big size. Now the last time you guys would have seen me, I would have been 30 years old or 29, 30 years old. What the hell, bitch? I'm 33 now and I will be turning 34, and it is Aries season right now, so happy Aries season. It does not feel like Aries season right now, let me put it that way, but anywho, so I'll be turning 34, so my under eyes have changed a lot. I find my under eyes are so friggin' dry with concealer when I use concealer. And I'm also filming right in front of my bedroom window, and the tint has kind of faded off, so anybody walking past is going to be able to get a little sneak preview of those dirty little dogs. Seriously, I was having a meltdown because my skin was just so dry, and I think that's because I've been spending so much time indoors, you know, under the air conditioning, because it has been very hot in Victoria. It has changed now. It has changed. I mean, it's 27 degrees today and raining, but who the fuck cares about the weather? But anyway, so my skin was getting absolutely so strung out and dried out, and I had been using a brush. This brush here, this is the Nude by Nature foundation brush, and it's fucking cute, bitch, and that would be good for like contouring and stuff as well, and cream products, and I just really like it. But when my skin's really dry, brushes just enhance texture, and I was like, what am I gonna do? And then I saw a girl on TikTok using a sponge, and I totally forgot that I had a sponge. Since I was last on this channel, I was working full-time in retail and had another job in an office as an office supervisor / administrator, and that was all over COVID that I did those two jobs, and I was literally working 60 to 70 hours a week, which was fucking absolutely crazy and not good for your mental health. So I wouldn't recommend it, but if you have financial goals, it's like one of those things, you know, like what do you do? I had been working a lot, and then I reduced my hours, and so I just used like annual leave to fill in one day of work just so that I would be paid full-time, but I was only working 3 days a week. And then the plan for 2025 was that I was going to reduce my work to maybe 1 or 2 days a week from February onwards. Fuck, I'm talking like so much about work. I'm talking so much about work. I don't know. Oh, I'm just letting it out, guys. I'm just letting it out. You might as well hear it now. Let's get into some fucking cream products, bitch. This is the Makeup by Mario. This is their bronzing and shaping serum. This shit is great. So if you were tanning, you could mix it in with your regular foundation. So you could pump it in with your foundation, or you have the doe foot applicator, which is so cool. So it says bronzing, but I have the shade light, and as you can see, I suppose, my cat is fucking screaming at me right now, but as you can see, it is a very, very cool tone shade, so it does give a lot of shape, and it's a very natural finish as well. Anyway, so I finished up work, and I'm not going back to work, like I'm fucking retired, so I can't think of anything that I would want to do. I thought maybe I could study law, you know, go back to school, do like something cool, or maybe like a Bachelor of Arts, maybe even like a Bachelor in Communications. I was like, oh, I could do radio, but you know, like, I don't know if I'm like being delusional or not, but at the end of the day, I don't want to work because it is fucking pointless. So at this stage, I'm just a trust fund baby, essentially, and I can't think of any use of my time that would actually be valuable. Anyway, moving on. I don't want to talk about work stuff anymore because it just doesn't fucking matter anymore. I have been filling my time with crafts. I've been working on a dollhouse, so I've been doing really simple like crafts. Oh, that's my husband calling me. I'm good, I'm just filming a video.
Oh, I'm sorry for interrupting you.
No, that's okay. What are you up to?
Well, I'll let you get back to your video then.
Thanks, honey. I'll talk to you later.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. So I was talking about my hobbies. Guys, I'd have to like catch up to myself. My brain is feeling a bit slow. So I have my TikTok. So I do post every single day and I just post any random stuff. I don't have a niche because I just haven't figured that out, and it doesn't really fucking matter. If you guys have seen my shorts, then you guys would have seen all of the stuff that I post. That reminds me, another video I have to edit is one where I'm trying out this little e.l.f. eyeshadow. This is the Finest Fleck glitter eyeshadow in Champagne Showers, and it is a dupe, well, I think it's a dupe anyway, of Space Cowboy by Urban Decay, which is $44. So $44 for a single eyeshadow, it's not just like in this economy, it's just like in general, like that's, So I got this e.l.f. one, which was only $12 from Kmart. I also dyed my eyebrows at home again, and I'm just so pleased like with the result, and it's so much easier for me to like fill in my eyebrows. So I need to really do that every month. But also in terms of my health, I am now doing my 10,000 steps a day at least. On average, I get anywhere from 12 to 14,000 steps in a day, which is very easy, but for some reason I feel like the steps that you get in the house don't even fucking count because it's not like steady state cardio. So I do have a walking pad that my husband bought me, just so that when it's raining, or conversely if it's too sunny, because if it's too sunny I can't go outside anyway. I've also been tracking my calories again this year, which has been really helpful, but I am trying to make lifestyle, fuck, I've got hair on my face. This is the worst because I have a rag doll. She'll like jump up on my desk, and then if there's any brushes anywhere, she'll like rub against them. So I'm just under my eyes right now because I want to try this new technique, and I have like something, I have cat hair on my nose, and I'm using this little one size powder. Again, it's a little trial size because I have big things of powder I will never fucking get through, I promise you that. Now this is a pink powder. It didn't seem to come up that pigmented when I swatched it, but I am very fierce, so if you are a little bit deeper skin tone than me, then this will definitely show up a little different. So let's just get it in there. Can you notice a difference? Unfortunately, that has just made me so muddy. No! Also, Afterpay Day sales have officially begun. Sephora's got 20% off, so I did buy something from Sephora, and as well as Adore Beauty. Their Afterpay Day sale did start sooner, so I will be filming a haul after this because I have my order here and I'm so excited because I bought a whole lot of like hair products. So I'm going to do a little flick of eyeliner, and I just do a very thin short flick because what I like it to be like, I don't know what I'm saying, what I like it to look like is that it's just my lashes kind of extending. As you can see, this side looks okay, this side's fucked. For my lip combo, I have a sad story. I'm just being dramatic, but I was in Sephora the other day with my husband and he did buy me a few things. And one of the things he got me was this Fendi lip stain in Mai Tai, and it's quite a bright color, but it is a really, really, really good stain. Like the staying power is fucking immaculate. I do use it as a lip liner because the staying power is really cool. And then I made a fucking huge mistake. So this is where the sad part of the story comes in. I have this fussy, what do they call this? A gloss bomb. So they have these new gloss sticks, and they have it in fussy, and they have them in a shimmer, and it's so fucking beautiful. Do you think that I got the right box out of the drawer? No, I didn't. I got the gloss bomb, which sucks because I don't need another lip gloss. Like I prefer the lip gloss sticks. It's just so much easier to apply like on the go. Everything is okay because I bought the lipstick at the Sephora Afterpay Day sale, so I'm just waiting for that to be delivered. See, this actually has a delicious smell. I don't know if you can tell, the gloss bomb, it does nothing for me. And the color, or the little bit of color that it does have, fades away so fucking quick, and within like half an hour, not even half an hour, so it doesn't even last. So the product sucks. I don't know who's enjoying that product. And I'll show you with the product that I actually like, which is the Dior, well, I can't even say it, Lip Glow Oil. And this is in the color 006 Berry. So this is a color that I would be enjoying to wear. Anyway, so that was my sad Fenty Beauty story. Let me take these little doodaddies out because I also cut my fringe. There's no life update there. I still cut my own hair, and I did my bangs way too short on one side, so then I had to do it on the other side. So That's the risk you take. Luckily hair grows out, and luckily I did it to myself, because it's always worse when somebody else does this shit to you, right? And at the moment I've actually gone back to my smoldering red hair color, guys. If you have seen that video I did obviously over COVID times, and I had the smoldering red hair color, I am actually thinking of going to more of a burgundy color, because I think that the deep jewel tone and purpliness will suit me a lot better. So you'll just have to see what I end up with. I could end up fucking bald by the next video. But thanks for catching up with me. I will see you in my next video or in my podcast. Or you can come and see me on Dotty Does on TikTok.